This is the rangertone 35 mm projector made in New Jersey, USA. Now there are 3 buttons in this projector to operate the projector. Like this first button is for rewinder. You can press it and the rewinder starts. You can easily rewind. You have to put one spool on this and second on this, and you can easily rewind this spool without any special arrangement on another table, so there is no need of that. And when you press the second button, the machine starts. This machine starts, and this looks like that. And now the machine starts, and when you press the third button, the lamp is now on. That's how you can operate this projector. And by pressing this black button, the lamp gets off, and after pressing this second black button, the whole machine gets off. And there is a special arrangement, this button. Now with the help of this button, the lamp starts without starting of the machine. And now you can look, and now you can easily adjust. Then now you can check the frame of the film without starting the machine. Like this way you can check the film. And when this button is on, the machine doesn't start. First you have to off this button, only then the machine will start, like this. And by pressing this black button, the machine gets off. This is the volume button. This black knob is the volume, and this silver knob is the tone to adjust the bass and treble. And another function is that there are 2 lamps in this lamp box, like this. There is a knob below this box, this one, this knob. Whenever the first bulb is fused, you just have to rotate this knob like this, and the second bulb will glow, and vice versa. When you rotate this in another position, now the first bulb will start, and if you rotate like this, the second bulb will start. So you can rotate this knob and adjust the alignment of the bulb. So this screw is used to adjust the lens. Like when I on this button, first I have to off this, then start the machine. Now the machine is start, like this. Now you can adjust the focus of the machine. So this is the function. This is the gate. This is the magnetic gate. This is the magnetic gate. This is the strip. You can change the frame of the film whichever you want. This is the knob to check that the film is properly placed on all these sprockets to check the film. This is the exciter bulb, this one. This is the indicator of the exciter bulb, and like this. This is the photocell. So all this, and now this is the whole projector, like this, in this position.